In this video, I'll show you how to connect Chatgpt to Figma. So you need to create a Figma account. You need to create a Chatgpt account. Once you have created it, go to your Chatgpt. Now you're gonna see plugins. Tap on the plugins. So this is gonna load up. So you're gonna scroll down a bit. You're gonna see Figma under the feature. Tap on the Figma. So what you need to do now, once you have created your Figma account, you're gonna see sign in with Figma. So once you tap on it, it's gonna load up right now. So if you have created a Figma account, you're going to be able to authenticate to Chatgpt account and log in with your Figma. So you need to sign into your Figma account. Yeah. So you can see it authenticated. So you need to just tap on access and you need to tap on agree and allow. Yeah. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.